What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Grab some popcorn, gather around, because we're looking at a nice, super clean 1969 Chevelle. This thing is beastie. Powered by a 468 cubic V8, baby. That's right, 4-speed trans. It's got a 12-bolt rear end with a 373 gear. It's got disc brakes in the front, upgraded aluminum radiator, power steering. It's a beautiful, beautiful paint job on this blue, black top, black interior, sitting on 15-inch American racing wheels. Tires are in great shape. Look at that stance. Come on now. Haven't had one of these in a little bit, and this is a nice one. We're gonna go through it so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this baby home, so you're not surprised. This is turnkey, ready to go. Just got done driving it. Brakes good, handles well, no funky feeling in the suspension. Pulls like it doesn't want to stop. This thing moves. Let me get more on an angle so you take a look, and then we're going to go through this thing. Look at how nice this is. Straight body all the way through. Let me get the other side for you too. Clean, clean, clean. Front chrome, good shape. All your badging and grille in good shape. All your lights are working the way they should. Your turn signals, everything's working properly. All your gauges are working. Look at how this thing lines up. Nice gap on both sides. No paint defects whatsoever on the hood or on the front clip. Front fender, great shape. Badged out, 396. Gap's good, fender to the door, and all the way on the bottom, quarter to the door, great shape. I don't see any paint flaws. All the glass around this car is in great shape. All your chrome around the glass, as well as your vinyl top, in good shape. Vinyl top, no stories, in real good condition. Rear chrome bumpers in good shape, dual exhaust. Sounds great. Bumpers in good shape. Look how this thing lines up. Bam. Nice. Nice. Hand, I've got keys on me. I'll show you the trunk while I'm back here. Trunk lid is fine. All your moldings around the whole entire car are in good shape. These are original quarters. Original quarters, folks. You can tell here by the weld. See that? Weather stripping is great. I think I just mentioned that. And trunk is the way it should be. Nice. Rear passenger quarter, good shape, no paint flaws, chrome around the wheel wells, good shape. All your wheels are in good shape, everybody. No pitting, no craziness. Gaps out good to the fender, to the door, to the quarter, all that. Get it mixed up sometimes. Fender to the door is fine. All your wipers are working. Top is in good shape all the way throughout. Some 6x9s in the back panel. All your seat belts are intact. Good shape all inside. It's missing one little ashtray lid in the back seat. Gives you something to go search for. Shouldn't be hard to find. Door panels are in good shape. Like all your weather stripping and moldings are good. Clean. All your carpets are good. Really nice inside here, folks. Really nice. Your dash pad is good. Real tight up here. 4-speed Hurst Shifter. I'll come around the other side. I'll pop this for right now and then come back to it real quick. Let me just look at the interior real quick one more time, folks. Odometer reads 13,450 miles, folks. Like I said, all your gauges are working. SS steering wheel. Nice. Before it gets too loud. Look at your wires are all great. All your hoses are good. Oh, that's a big block. Look how clean it is in here. Everything's put away right. Upgraded headers. Nice sounding dual exhaust. Clean, clean, clean. Put some fire under the hood. Okay. There we go. Right up. Idling right. Got a loose belt, I'll take care of that. They all need something. Doesn't need a lot, but they all need something. Beautiful, beautiful car. So if you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 740, please go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application, 10% down up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months, good rates. We've got over 100 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open shipping and enclosed. If you have any questions on any of our inventory or need quotes on shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Saturday, we're here from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. The way you get that appointment is you give me a call or text me at 773-600-0919. I'll get you in. You get to spend some time with the car. I'll answer your questions and we'll get this thing home with you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that button on the bottom, that red one. Like us on Facebook, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for spending some time. I really enjoyed doing this 1969 Chevelle. Big block, real pleasure car. Call me if I could help you out in any ways. See you soon, folks. Bye.